Ready to supercharge your Twitter ads by tracking website interactions and unlocking the secrets to campaign success. First things first, open your Google Tag Manager account in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct container for the website you want to track. Now, we'll start by setting up your tag. Click on Tags in the left-hand menu, and then on New. Next, click on Tag Configuration to begin configuring your new tag. A menu of tag types will open. Under the Choose Tag Type section, you'll likely need to use the Custom HTML option. Click on this one. Now, open your Twitter Ads Manager. In another tab, locate the Twitter Pixel code. This can often be found in the Events Manager section of the Twitter Ads platform or in the Conversions part of the menu. Copy your Twitter Pixel code from Twitter Ads Manager. It is usually a short bit of HTML. Return to Google Tag Manager and paste the Twitter Pixel code into the HTML field. Scroll down to the triggering section and click on it to choose when the tag should fire. This tells GTM when to send data to Twitter. For a basic setup, click All Pages. This configures the pixel to fire on every page of your website. Finally, give your tag a descriptive name, like Twitter Pixel All Pages. Click Save in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. To test your setup, use Tag Assistant, a browser extension. Access it and make sure the correct pixels are firing as you browse your site, and that's it. You've successfully installed your Twitter Pixel. Now you can gain valuable campaign insights.